Hello everyone. I'm using Microsoft SQL Server 2005. Firstly, welcome to our channel Edwin. Now, let us create a database first. Firstly, you come here and click on New Query. How do you create a database? Now let us type. Now that you want to create a database, create database. Now that you want to create a database, just type create database and the name of the database. So let us keep the name of the database as my first database and end this with a semicolon. So I repeat, now that you want to create a database, just type create database and the name of the database and end it with a semicolon. I'm copying this. So I have typed create database and the name of the database and I have ended it with a semicolon. Now I'm clicking on execute. As you can see here, the command is successfully executed. If you come and check here under the databases, you will be able to see your database which is created here. That is my first database. In our next video, we will learn how to delete or drop a database. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great time ahead.